and northern and central. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, Rensselaer County in east central New York, southeastern Washington County in east central New York, southern Bennington County in southern Vermont, southwestern Windham County in southern Vermont, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Grafton, Oregon, 8 miles south of Hoosick Falls, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near town around 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Bennington and Williamstown around 8:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. North Adams around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Stanford around 8:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Florida around 8:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Monroe and Reedsboro around 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Wilmington around 8:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Medburyville, Dino Corners, Lincolnville, Versailles, Paper Mill Village, Dunham Hollow, Maple Grove, Fly Summit, Valley Falls, and East Renfrew. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.